Alright guys, I have a video to show you guys. We're doing a load test into the 32, the OUTBACK VFX3232 load test. We put it into the test, and now because of 32 volts, you see the lights right there showing indication like the battery's low because we're running a 24 volt battery bank. And let's see what we do in the test right now on. We have the tea kettle, and the trick is when you put this lever down, this cover, and there's a sensor that triggers the tea kettle to stop boiling the water. Okay, so because of that, I open up the lever or the cover, and it's still running, doesn't stop. So this is actually, that's what we're pulling right now, is about 2553 watts. On the DC side, we pull about 20 amps. No, sorry, we're pulling about 79 to 80 amps. So I'm gonna go add more loads. We have a little heater here, and we have the rice cooker going. The water is boiling, and I'm gonna trigger the toaster. So the toaster, I can be able to show you the specs on this thing. I don't know if you can read it. Yeah, read the specs on the toaster. Maybe it's a 900 watts or something. And I'm gonna show you the this little guy heater. It's 250 watts, and this rice cooker is 700 watts. So we're gonna fire it up. The toaster again is on. Let's see, all the elements are getting red. We crank it on max, and this is what is happening. 106.50 amps. We put in about 3.429 kilowatts of power from the batteries. These are the LG. Here are the batteries. Tea kettle is running, and this is what we're taking out from the inverter, the AC side. See that? 2,900 watts. I need more power to bring this thing to the 3 kilowatts. It's at 3232. So those are the batteries I was talking about. The LG batteries, 24 volts. I'm using a 10 gauge wire coming out. It's going to town. So the yellow thing is telling us that the battery indication is low because of 32 volts inverter we're running here. Let's add another outlet ceramic space heater again, which is a 400 watts. Let's see how he's gonna do it. So the ceramic thing is on. Let's see how we're gonna test it. So here is the ceramic thing on. We turn this. So we're cranking this guy to the highest speed, high, and it's on max. Heat is coming out, and turn the tea kettle back on. Let's see the power we're bringing out. We just maxed the capacity of the inverter. It's unbelievable. 3,300. It's supposed to be 3,200. So 3232. Here is the power we're pulling out from the Victron. So we're pulling 3,780 watts. The inverter is still going strong. It's a vented. You can hear the fans running from here. So to prevent dust, and everything is going to town, everything. So wire comes all the way to this, right? See the steam, it's boiling, the heater is here, 400 watts, and let me show you the other stuff. A 900 watt toaster, 250 watts space heater, a rice cooker, it's about 750 watts, and everything is just working. So this is what that inverter can take: the rice cooker, the toaster, the space heater, ceramic space heater, a tea kettle, which is a 1600 watts tea kettle. This is the dent we just pulling from the battery, staying strong because these lithium batteries can take a whole lot of abuse. See that? Now another load just dropped, so now it's 2500 watts. So here on the Victor, on the Outback, it's reading 32.1. It's reading 32.1 volts. I suppose finally the breaker trip and no more power going to all the stuff. I think the GFCI cannot take that anymore. So it's pretty interesting, right? We'll max out the inverter. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. JW Solar USA, live from Minnesota. Yeah, something happened, but this is the only thing is bringing out now. 600 watts.